All right, hello everyone, and welcome to the new daily show format. So today I'm actually have started, I'm intending to start this new daily show format. So in this new daily show format, I'll actually be going a quick run through because I already run through in terms of the daily assessment. So basically all this has been updated on a daily basis. As you can see, in terms of the Sunday, so today I'll be covering the Bitcoin wise. So for cryptocurrency, you can look that it's extremely bullish even over this weekend, which is rather amazing. So all the indicators, be it on a daily, weekly, even up to the Monday, is still looking really strong. Ooh, and actually there's the Monday closing because yesterday was first. So let's take a look at the Monday closing. That is something I missed out. So in terms of Monday, you similarly got a bullish market trend with a high and a higher high, a high and a higher high, a low and a higher low. So definitely right now you also get a bullish market structure. Strength of the trend is yet to be determined because you only got a 50-week moving average on the simple. So you can see across the board it's looking extremely bullish right now. So in fact later we'll be updating this for on the monthly pay closing as well. That's something I missed out yesterday. Okay, but bottom line is what you can see is really looking bullish, and you have entered based on this entry condition, which is a break of 11,450. You would actually be right now inside this trade. So along this break over here of this new high, should be in this trade, and over here you can start to potentially take your first level profit. I've already considered being taken because usually I'll take around the start of it, which is 11,000. I say 11,950 is where I will start to take, so around 36. So you can see this 11970. So I definitely will have taken, because around 11950 is where I will have taken my first level profit. So I'll be trailing the stop loss with this 4 hour 20 exponential moving average as the guide. So until it closes below it, I would remain in this trading long setup as well. All right, so that's basically the quick update. Anyway, in the coming week, I'll actually be launching the introduction of why am I joining or why am I starting this 1000-day challenge, along with the thought process, the goals, the daily activities that will be ongoing. So this daily show will still be ongoing in that sense, but in a shorter format, which is what you'll see this. So instead of naming it by the date, I'll actually be renaming it by the day instead. So today actually considered day 2, and otherwise I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3. And take care, everyone. And I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.